Hello my dear children. So today I am here with you all to discuss about a very common natural phenomena that takes place in our nature daily, that is phases of moon. So what is the meaning of phases of moon? As we all know that the moon keeps on changing its shape every day, right? So when you observe the moon for 15 days, you will find it out that moon is changing its shape every day and there is a different moon in the other day slowly. So what about this phenomena? What is the reason behind this? That how a moon is changing its shape? What is actually happening in the atmosphere? What is actually happening in the universe? So today I will explain this reason with a very simple and short activity, right? So this is with my setting of the apparatus. The very simple things are required for this. So this yellow color ball is just like acting as a sun, right? This colorful ball is our earth, and this small lemon, that is moon. So what I would like to say, first of all, I would like to tell you that every time only one side of moon is visible from the earth, right? जो सेकेंड साइड है वो हम देख ही नहीं पाते, बिकॉज ओनली एक ही साइड विजिबल होती है मून की, हमारी अर्थ से. तो फॉर माई कन्वीनियंस आई एम जस्ट डिवाइडिंग दिस मून विद द हेल्प ऑफ अ लाइन लाइक दिस, राइट. तो दिस पोर्शन उस पर हम लाइन्स लगा लेते हैं ऐसी. This portion is not visible from earth. This portion is not visible from earth. Now how the moon revolve? The moon revolves around the earth like this. That means it will always keep the other face away from the earth. कि जो फेस अर्थ से दिखता है वही आगे रहता है फ्रंट साइड पे, दूसरा बैक साइड पे, राइट. Now actually what happens, how the shape of the moon changes. Suppose the moon starting its motion from here. Now you can see this much portion, if I check from the sun, till this much portion is getting the light. This portion, right? This portion is getting the light of the sun. इस पोर्शन पे लाइट नहीं पड़ रही. That means this portion will not be visible. Shape change. Now when the moon will come here, right, at this point, I am just moving the earth aside so that you can see. Now you can see the sunlight. If the sun is here, the sunlight is striking over this surface, right. तो इतने पोर्शन के ऊपर again the light is not falling. So that means again the shape is changed. Now when slowly the moon will come at this point in between earth and sun, now you can see whole light of sun is falling on this side, which is not visible from the earth. So what does it mean? At this point there will be no moon. That we call new moon day, right? There will be no moon. That means new moon day, because at the next day the moon will start moving. Now this much portion, only small portion, this much only, little bit portion of moon will get the sunlight, due to which only this portion of the moon will be visible. Same way when it will come here, you can see the light is falling only at this point, right. उसमें भी 25-30% of the moon is not getting the light. I am talking about the face only. 25-30% of the face which is towards the earth, right. Then again it will come back this side. Now full light of sun is reflecting here and the full moon is visible from the earth. So this is the way that how we are able to see the different phases of moon. Thank you very much.